everyone, today we are on lesson 9 of chapter 11 in 2D shapes. Okay, today we are moving shapes. Amira, in your textbook on page 74, you will see this. And Amira wants to give some instructions to Ravi. So instructions tell you how to do something. So she wants to tell Ravi how to move the red square to the blue square. How can she move it? She can't just pick it up and move it. It's got to take some steps. So each of these boxes, each square is a step. She might want to go up, to the left, down, right, and how many steps. You might want to pause the video for a few minutes to be able to do this and work this out and tell your adult how Amira can tell Ravi how to move the red square to the blue square. And then we'll do some different ideas, different combinations. So you have to pause the video now. Right, so one way we could do it is, it's just like jumping on a number line. We don't count the jump until after the square's moved. Okay, we don't go, we move it to the right. Oh, 1. I've not jumped yet, so that's not 1, is it? So I'm going to move the red square to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then where do I need to go? What direction? That's right, I need to go down. So I've moved to the right 4, and then down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I moved the red square to the right 4 squares and down 3. Okay, we could do it another way. We could go down 1, 2, 3. We could go down 3 steps and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. We could be really clever and we could do it a few different directions. We could go 1 step to the right, 1, 2, 2 down, 1, 2, 2 to the right, 1 down, and another 1 to the right. So there are lots of different ways in which you can move that red square to the blue one. Okay, right, so I've just done this. I think we'll be super today with this lesson. Okay, it's really straightforward. So on your guide, you practice already, you've got to move some shapes and you've got to redraw them. I will let you draw in the textbook. Just be careful, and then I can rub it out after. So you've got to move. You've got 3 shapes here. You've got to move each shape 2 steps to the right. So you've got to redraw the green square. 1, 2. So you've got to then draw it and then colour it in. Okay. Then you've got to move the rectangle 2 squares to the right. 1, 2. Okay. And then the triangle. This one, you've got to move each shape 4 steps down. So we're going down. So we've got to move the rectangle 4 steps down. The square 1 step, sorry, not 1 step, 4 steps down. And the triangle 4 steps down. Then for number 3, you've got to tell me the directions. You've got to write the directions. So how can you get this triangle to move to A? So what I would do is I would choose 1 vertices, 1 corner. How does it move to the same vertices on this triangle? So I'll do the first one for you. What shall we go? 1, 2, 3. So it gets to A by moving 3 steps to the right. Then how does it get to B? Okay, and then how does it get to C? You might have to do 2 different directions for this. And then when you've done that, your wind-up page is 59 and 60, writing the short date at the top. You've got to move the shapes 5 steps to the right and 3 steps down. Always look at the vertices and do it with the vertices. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to do it with this vertices. Oh, I've not moved it down, have I? Silly me. So 5 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. So that is that vertices. Now I'm going to do this one. So 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. then this one, 5 to the right, 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And then the last one, I need to do this bottom one. So I'm just reread it. 5 to the right, 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It goes there. And then using a ruler, I can redraw that shape in the correct position. So then you need to do the same with this one. So do each vertices, and then that vertices, and then that corner, that vertices, and then the same with this shape. So doing each corner, marking each corner on your grid so that it looks exactly the same shape, exactly the same size, but just somewhere else on the grid. And then your second page, you need to tell me how this grey square moves to A, how it moves to B, and how it moves to C. So same as what we did on the guided practice, I choose one corner and focus and work out how it's got from there to this one. No, that's not the same corner, is it? It's this corner, the left one, so it needs to get to here. So let's do this one together. How am I going to get from here to here? I'm going to go across, left, and then down. So it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gone 5 to the left. Let me write that in before I forget. Make it a bit smaller so it fits. 5 steps to the left. Oh dear, what's going on? There we go. So it's gone. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then I need to get to the one here. And I need to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone 5 steps to the left, 4 steps down. Now, this same corner, how do I get from here to B? Okay, so you might want to go down and then right, or you could go right and then down, and then write the steps in here. And then for C, you might want to go up and then right, or you might want to go right and then up, or a different way. Okay, challenge yourself. And when you've done that, take a photo and upload it to your portfolio. Thank you.